ladies and happy bees today. We're going to introduce you to the best AI agent for making viral AI animation videos. This AI agent can turn your simple story ideas into full-length videos using top leading AI models. For example, you can freely mix and match different image and video models based on your needs. For instance, using DPT Image 2 plus Seedance 2.0 gives you more realistic physical details, richer storyboards, and smoother motion. Now, before we move on, let me show you what I created with just a simple story idea. Let's watch it together.
This map, it's glowing. That's never a good sign.
Or it's the best sign, depends who's asking.
The map says the entrance is behind the waterfall.
Correction, under the waterfall. Big difference, my feathered friend.
Wait, there's no gold? Just a puzzle?
Guess the real treasure was the riddles we solved along the way.
All right, let's crack it.
So, did you like this video? Make sure to tell me in the comments. The BGM, background music, and character consistency, everything was generated from just one single platform. Alright, happy bees, now let me show you in a simple and easy way, step by step, how you can create videos like this. First of all, head over to this website, Flova.ai. I'll also provide the link in the description for you to easily access it. After that, simply sign up using your Google account. As soon as you sign up, you instantly get 100 free credits. And if you explore Flova AI, meaning you try out the different features on the platform, you get an additional 200 credits as well. So it's not just signing up, exploring is worth it too. To use Flova AI effortlessly, there are two very important tools. The first one is models, and the second one is skills. Under models, you'll find 4 options: image, video, music, and narration. When it comes to images, there's a solid range of models available for generating visuals. For this one, I'm going with GPT Image 2, but feel free to pick whichever model works best for you. For the video model, I'm going with Seedance 2.0, and again, feel free to pick whatever model suits your style best. After that, if you want, you can go ahead and pick a model for music, and the same goes for narration. Choose whichever one you like. But for now, I'm skipping those, since we can always come back and select them later. Before we jump into creating the video, I want to quickly show you another amazing skills library that is packed with popular options. GTA Live Demo and Into the World Cup are both trending right now. And if you click on more skills, you'll find a ton of templates uploaded by other users. And honestly, the variety here is impressive. Every time I scroll through this section, I find something new. You can edit them, tweak them, remix them, basically make them completely your own. And reuse them however you like. So much inspiration packed in here. Alright, let's go to the home page. Now let's talk about Flova's skills feature. Just click on skills and you'll find a bunch of different skill models. Each one built for something specific. My personal favorite is the script to video skill. So let's go ahead and select that and I'll walk you through exactly why I love it. Alright, happy bees. Now I've selected script to video under skills, and for the video model, I'm going with Seedance 2 for smoother motions, better video quality. And for the image model, I'm picking GPT Image 2, top leading image model from OpenAI. This will give us much better visual quality. Alright, once you've selected those models, just paste your script or story idea into the prompt box. Now let me show you the format I use for my script. First, I mentioned the style, which in this case is 3D Pixar style. Then I add my short story idea. After that, you'll notice I've broken it down into shot 1 and shot 2 for both characters, and I've clearly mentioned which character says what. If you follow this exact format, you'll get much better results. Don't worry, I'll drop this format in the description below for you guys. After that, just click generate and Flova's AI agent will start working its magic on your video. Now, while that's processing, let me quickly explain why Flova AI's skills feature is such a game changer. Basically, a skill is a complete reusable workflow. It saves everything. Your story structure, visual style, model choices, prompt structure, shot logic, and the whole production process all in one place. So once you build a workflow you're happy with, you can reuse it again and again for all your future projects. There is more coming, expanding your story, reusing characters, scenes, locations, and props with perfect consistency. Stay till the end. Flova AI still has more to blow your mind. So as you can see, Flova AI has gone ahead and analyzed our story, and it's identified a total of 6 elements. Right here you can see Finn, our main character, counts as one element, and the second character, Pip, is another one. Then we've got the glowing map, the beach environment, the jungle environment, and the cave environment, all counted as individual elements. And this is exactly where Flova AI becomes a total game changer, because we can reuse all these elements to expand our story even further. I'll show you exactly how a bit later in this video. Now take a look here. Flova AI has given us 2 options to choose from. The first option will automatically write out prompts for all our elements. The second option lets us adjust the storyboard if we need to make any changes. For this tutorial, I am going to select the first option. This way we can write prompts for all our elements. Now take a look here. Flova AI has generated the prompts for all our elements. This one right here is the prompt for our character Finn. Notice this unique ID attached to the character prompt. This ID is what keeps the character or element consistent throughout the story. You can also see this same prompt showing up on the left side. And in the exact same way, Flova AI has written out the prompts for every single character and location in our story. Now take a look here. Flova AI has given us 4 different options to choose from. The first option lets us generate images for all our elements. The second option allows us to adjust the character's appearance. The third option lets us make changes to the color scheme. And the last option gives us the ability to tweak the cave environment. For this tutorial, I am going to select the first option so it can generate all our elements images. Now you can see it is going to use DPT Image 2 for this. Since we selected the DPT Image 2 model at the beginning to generate our visuals, we have already selected the first option here. So now the only thing left to do is click the send button and it will start generating all our elements. Now take a look here. All of our elements have been generated successfully. We have the character sheet for Finn, the character sheet for Pip, the glowing map, the sandy beach, the jungle archway, and the glowing cave. These are all the elements that are going to be used throughout our video. And if you are not happy with any of the character images, or you want to make some edits or changes, you can absolutely do that too. All you need to do is select that specific element and then click on its prompt. Now watch this. Let's say you want to change the outfit. You simply need to highlight that part of the prompt. For example, I want to change Finn's outfit here. So I will select this section, wears a classic adventurer's outfit. Then I will select the rest of the prompt, just like I am doing right now. After that, we will replace it with our own custom prompt. And here you can see this is our brand new custom prompt for Finn's outfit. Once that is done, we will click generate. And just like that, the outfit changes instantly. And you can follow this exact same process to edit any of the other characters too. You can also change Pip's color scheme in the exact same way. And you can make any other changes you want to any of the elements. Now, if you want, you can also make changes to character elements inside the chat. For example, if you want him to look more realistic while keeping the 3D Pixar style, all you have to do is click the 3 dots. then click Add to Chat. Now you can see the Finn character element has been added to the chat. Now just give it a simple prompt like this. Finn looks a bit too cartoonish. Make him slightly more realistic while preserving his 3D Pixar-style character design. After that, just hit generate, and now watch the magic happen, guys. Flova AI's agent will start working right away, making all those changes to your character elements automatically. Now check this out. The agent has just created a brand new character sheet using nothing but chat. This is what we call a completely controllable workflow. How cool is that? Now take a look here in the chat. It is asking to create scene prompts for all scenes. If you want to create scene prompts for all scenes, just type confirm and it will generate all scene prompts for us. Now here you can see it has generated all the scene prompts for us. And here you can also see the prompts for any scene. You can make changes to a scene. You can regenerate a scene, or you can also change the model to regenerate the scene. Everything here in Flova is fully editable and fully controllable. Now here in the chat you can see Flova AI's agent is asking two questions. Generate videos for all scenes or revise a specific prompt. I am going with the first option to convert all scene images into video scenes. Now check this out. All the scene videos have just been generated at once. And if you want to add background music to your full video, you can simply select this option. But before that, let me show you something really exciting. How you can expand your story while keeping full consistency. So let us say I want to expand my video from the last scene into a turtle island. What I need to do first is create an image of the turtle island so I can add it into the assets library. Here I am giving this exact prompt to generate the turtle island image. Now check this out. The turtle island image has been generated. To add this into the next scene, first click on these three dots, then click Store in Assets Library. After that, it will ask you to change the name of the turtle island image. Because now it is not just a simple image anymore. Now it is an element and we can use it anywhere in any scene with our character. Just click Store and voila, it gets added straight to the Assets Library. After that, click on this plus button. You will find this button between any scene and also after the last scene. This is the exact feature that lets you expand your story any way you want. Now name it whatever you want, like shot 1, shot 2, or final shot. Literally anything you like. Just remember this is the element name that is going to be used to generate the next scene. Once done, click on confirm. Then double click to enter your shot description. After that, click anywhere outside that box. Now go back to that shot and right click on it. Then click on add to chat. And just like that, it gets instantly added to the chat. Now click on assets library and select the element you want to add into the scene. So for example, I want to add Finn's character to the scene. Here I will select the element Finn. Now select the location element. So for example, in which location you want your character to appear. Here I am going to select the Turtle Island element. Now technically it is a location, but inside the chat it shows up as an element. So do not get confused between the two. After that, paste your short description or prompt and click on generate, and just like that it instantly starts working on generating your scene. Alright, so here it has generated the scene for us and it is asking for confirmation. And you can see it is clearly showing which one is the reference element and which one is the actual scene. Now to animate this scene, just type confirm and hit generate and it will start working right away on animating that scene. And you can see right here, it is going to use Seedance 2 to animate this scene. Because remember at the beginning, we had already selected the Seedance 2 model for our videos. Alright everyone, the final shot is ready. Let us see how it came out.
No way. It actually looks like a turtle.
Just look at this. See how perfectly it created the shot with rock-solid character and location consistency, and see how perfectly it delivered the dialogue too. Alright, now let us generate some background music for your short video. To do that, just type generate BGM and hit generate. And in just a few seconds, it generates perfectly matching background music for our short video. Now to add this to our video, just copy the music name, then type add this, and boom, it gets instantly added to the full short story. Now check this out. It is asking, are you ready for final assembly? Just type yes or ready and hit send, and it will finalize the video and take us straight to the timeline.
Map. It's glowing. That's never a good sign.
Or it's the best sign. Depends who's asking.
Now all you have to do is click the export button to download your video, and there it is. You can see the video has already started downloading. Now let me show you another amazing feature in Flova AI. Just head back to the home page. So for example, if you want to create another short video with the same characters, or you want to expand any video you created earlier, all you have to do is click on Assets Library and select the elements you want to add into the scene, like location elements, props, or character elements. After that, just enter your script, select your model, and hit generate. And it will start generating the video using those exact same elements. Flova AI truly has the smartest AI agent that handles your entire workflow. Now let us talk about pricing. In the monthly plan, for just $20, you get 2,000 credits. And with that, you can generate up to 5 videos. For $50, you get 6,000 credits. And for $100, you get 13,000 credits. So why waste your time jumping between different AI models when you are getting everything in one single place at such a low price compared to everyone else? The link is in the description below. Make sure to try it out. Thanks for watching, everyone.